Rogers mube. Naini na mpira. Umeenda kunga. Yeyo mpira bali afumule. Naini na mpira ayona yeborozi.
The match was good. Thank the home team for the great win. And as well, I thank my teammates. We really worked for the, really came far and we wanted at least to get a win here. But as you know, football is like that.
Kama yake ambayo wini alijini akabiri mu second round kutandika mpira eshatu subiza kujya muntu basakuja kuko kwiturona
mpira kubadde mulungi kinkoze bubinti goals nabadde nteekateeka abasambi bange bateebe nadde nsubira ntusobola okuteeba goals nga 3 okugenda mu maaso naye basobodde okuteeba goal emu neera wini esigala kiwini
nibanza kusiima abahagizi abo boza kwija obwingi kandi bakatuhereza support yabo kuba omuhagizi n'omuzaano w'ikumi na babiri aha kishayi